Hello everyone, welcome to Lessons with Philip. And today we want to continue with our previous class, solving algebraic equations using different methods. And today we want to use completing the square method. Follow me as we solve these questions we have on the board together. Okay? Now we want to use completing the square method. Okay? How do you use completing the square method? There are steps to follow. Okay? Now step one, the first thing you need to do is to transfer your constant to your right hand side. Some algebraic equations have their constant already at their right hand side. If they have, then you leave it like that. So, but in this question, we have our constant with the equation. So we transfer it first to the right hand side. Transfer the constant to the right hand side of the equation. So we have 2x squared plus 9x equals to, if minus 5 comes to the right hand side, crossing it equals to sign becomes plus. Okay, now the second step, step 2, the second step is to divide through by the coefficient of x squared. Divide through by the coefficient of x squared. Okay, the coefficient of x squared in this equation is 2. Automatically divide through this equation by 2. So we have 2x squared all divided by 2 plus 9x all divided by 2 equals to 5 divided by 2. So 2 cancel 2, we have x squared plus 9 over 2x equals to 5 over 2. So step 3, what you need to do is you take half of this coefficient of s, you square it, then you add it to both sides. Square the half of coefficient of x and add it to both sides of the equation. What is half of 9 over 2? How do you get it? You have plus 9 over 2, you multiply it by half. This is what you square and add to both sides. 9 times 1 is 9, 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, this is what you add to both sides. Please don't forget the signs that you have before the coefficient must be squared together and add to both sides. Please, if you have minus here, so automatically we have minus here. Okay, so please take note of that. So automatically we have our x squared plus 9 over 2x plus, so we are adding this to both sides, which is 9 over 4 squared equals to, we have this already, 5 over 2 plus 9 over 4 all squared. I can remove this, the equation will still remain the same. Okay, so now the next thing is to make this is a perfect square. If this is a perfect square, automatically we have x. You take one of this squared, you only deal with those that have squared. You take one of this, then you take, sorry, I've forgotten the signs. So you take x, then you take what you have in the bracket, which is plus 9 over 4 all squared equals to 5 over 2. Plus squared is plus. Multiply by plus is plus. 9 squared is 81 divided by 4 squared is 16. Okay, so automatically we have our x plus 9 over 4 all squared is equals to, if you find the LCM of this right hand side, we have our LCM is 16. 2 can go in 16, 16 can go in 16. Okay, 2 in 16 is 8. 8 times 5 will give me 40 plus 16, 1 times 81 will give me 81. 40 plus 81 will give me 121. So we have x plus 9 over 4, x plus 9 over 4 all squared equals to 40 plus 81 is 121 all divided by 16. If I want to remove this square, what I need to do is you now square, you find the root of both sides. Take, that is step 4, take the root of both sides. If you take the root of both sides, we have root of x plus 9 over 4 squared equals to root of 121 over 16. Anytime when you're finding square root, it is usually plus or minus. Why is it plus or minus? Because minus 2 squared will give me plus 4, and plus 2 squared will give me plus 4. Plus squared is still plus, 2 squared is still 4. Okay, that's why we have plus or minus. Okay, so now this root will cancel this square, so we are left with x plus 9 over 4, which is equivalent to plus or minus square root of 121 is 11, square root of 16 is 4. Okay, now the next stage is to transfer this your constant to your right hand side. So we have our x equals to, if plus 9 over 4 is coming to this side, we have minus 9 over 4 plus or minus 11 over 4. That shows that either x equals to minus 9 over 4 plus 11 over 4, or my x equals to minus 9 over 4 minus 11 over 4. What I've done is I have split these signs to have plus standing on its own and negative standing on its own. X is equals to, if you find the LCM of this, is 4. 4 in 4, 1. 1 times minus 9, we have minus 9. 4 in 4, 1. 1 times 11 will give me plus 11. Or my x equals to, if you find this LCM of this one also, we have 4 in 4 is 1. 1 times minus 9 will give me minus 9. 4 in 4, 1. 1 times minus 11 is minus 11. So if you had this, minus 9 plus 11 will give me 2 over 4, or my x is equals to minus 9 minus 11 will give me minus 20 over 4. Automatically, my x is either half or my x is minus 5. If you check our previous class, you see that we got, with this same equation, we got our x to be half or minus 5. That shows that any method you use, you get same answer for the value of x or for the value of your unknown. Okay, now if you find this class helpful, please kindly like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you. See you in the coming class. Bye.